This is the Commerce Building in Yorktown Heights. We're gonna ride the old Dover elevator. Still original. Oh, there's security. Let's go to 3. Door does not close when you push the button. Here we go. I'm pretty sure that's the same pump as Turco's. So I'm pretty sure that means that that motor is not original. Look at this black button. Look at this door configuration. We'll take one more ride and then we'll be done. There's the lobby. Alright, here we go. Listen to the motor again. Even if that's not original, I'm pretty sure that's still a Dover pump. Want the video at 1. Look at those old buttons. Yeah, because Turco's has that same pump. And that's not too far from here. Watch the button go out. And I'll show you the outside of the building. There goes the elevator. And this right here is the building. Commerce Building, Yorktown. So, that's it.